welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art. How you doing? Today I am going to do yet another iteration of Cloud Mix, just with blue soft body instead of white soft body from Artist Loft. So, come on, let's go. So these pearl pores seem to have gotten a hold of me. I have a mighty curiosity, I guess. So this is our Artist Loft soft body blue combined with some Vallejo pearl medium, some Floetrol American style, and a bunch of water. So let's just get this on here. This is a 16 by 20 canvas, should take around 12 ounces to cover, I believe. We're just going to move this around a little bit, not too much. Okay. First color down, Lucas Krill in Arctic. Then we have Deco Art Peridot, which is kind of a green goldy deal. Then we have the Deco Art Dragonfly Glaze in green gold. And Nick Pro Metallic Ice Blue. We have some PBO Iridescent Green Yellow, which I don't want to go too nuts with, I don't think. And then we have some Amsterdam Titanium White. And some Nick Pro Metallic Silver. All right, now mostly I'm going to be tilting from corner to corner, so I'm going to put some of this blue up here. Am I really though? Yeah, a little. Let us pray.
Take me higher, where the wild winds flow. What a mess.
These are always so messy. I'll look at this for just a second while I wipe my hands off. Then I'm going to torch. And then I'm going to put this on time-lapse and see what comes of it. Okay, here are our wet results. Now, I really like some of this, and some of this I'm kind of disappointed in. Let's have a look. I really like this color. It's very pretty, the blue. Now, I got pearls, definitely. But this middle section with this peridot is just kind of plain, and you're sitting there probably thinking it's kind of ugly too. Well, it does look kind of ugly right at the moment. The thing about the peridot is it is an extreme sheen, so it's gonna have a lot of glimmer, but it is a little more olivey than I thought it would be. I thought that the blue would intrude on it a little more intrusion. I kept trying to make some stuff happen in there, and it just didn't want to. That was about 20 minutes of time lapse. So we got a lot around the outside. I thought I had tilted enough to get some in the middle. We did not. So let's look and see how the sparklies are going. Okay, as you see, there is a lot of sparkle within the blue itself. That is because of the Vallejo Pearl Medium. So we've got really nice sparkly pearls. Now this right here that we're looking at is that dragonfly glaze. So, you know, it's very sparkly on its own. We got some nice intrusion on the side of that. I don't know. We got a little bit down here. I think that's because it's right on the side where, you know, the paint goes off, so it's a little thinner. Now, as you can see, this peridot is not an ugly color. It just is very olivey. That's that ice blue mixed with the silver. I think the ice blue is really pretty. Well, I do like that. It is a pretty color, I think. Don't you think? Yes, indeed. Now, do I wish I would have gotten more pearls through there? Yes, absolutely I do. Tried to pull, tried to wiggle, tried to jiggle. We did get some nice stuff happening in there. That's the, I think that's mostly, I don't know what that is. That's peridot, and that is the, now maybe that is mostly the PBO iridescent green yellow. That's definitely what that is. So we did get a million little cells. Maybe I'm just not tilting enough. I don't know. Practice makes progress. Somebody wrote that in one of my group posts on Feral Family, and I liked it. But I like this down here. I mean, I don't dislike the painting, don't get me wrong. It's kind of nice. It's got some pretty stuff. I just really kind of hoped that this middle would do more. It did not. It did not. Maybe it's just because there's so much paint in the middle. I don't know. So anyway, there you go. We're going to keep trying until we're just sick of it. So I'll see you guys when this is dry. Okay, here are the dried results of my latest pearl try. It worked to some extent. I think that the green, the peridot in the middle, peridot, is a little heavy, and metallics are known for not liking to let pearls through, and this is probably operator error more than anything else. However, we did get lots of pearls around the perimeter, and where I doodled we got some, and around this perimeter we got a lot as well. You can kind of see them in there. Just through the peridot, yeah, not so much, and that's sad because that would have been way prettier with some pearls in it, I think. There's a lot of nice shimmer here. It's really hard to see. I am shooting inside due to the fact that outside is very cloudy, and it's also late in the day because I had to go do lifing things. Yeah, not my favorite. And that's all I have to say about it really, is it's not my favorite. I do love the blue though. It is so pretty and so glowy. But, you know, it's like I say all the time, they can't all be masterpieces. This one will probably not go to the Louvre. But that's really nice down there. That's that gold green, which I don't see a lot of green, but that's okay. Green, gold, gold, green, whatever it is. Dragonfly stuff. So yep, there we go. And I would like to thank all of you for coming, hanging out with me today, and spending your precious time watching me. That really does mean more than you know. And if you haven't, before you go, if you would hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I'm making new content, give me a thumbs up, at least for effort, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this peridot. Do you think it is a metallic issue, which I think it probably is, and you know, what should we do about that? So thanks again for coming, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
The sky was falling, and why you make it so hard? The air was shaking.